Okay, attempting to get the bird poop off of the window. I was gonna see if I could spray some of this to help it out, but I don't think I can reach that far. All right. Yeah. Okay, that is pretty dang good. That is amazing. You can get the... Yeah, just right there. Yeah.
Oh my, that's insane.
Right?
That's pretty cool.
All right, it said it's done. I'm gonna go get it, but I'm actually gonna do it one more time, but I'm gonna rinse that off first so it can have a nice clean second pass. All right, so it goes right back to its starting position, and then hold the button, it'll release so you can get it, and I'm gonna rinse this off real quick. Push the button, sucks on, and it's back off for a second round. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful today. Like, so pretty out. All right, so it's clean. I didn't have to get the ladder, and now I can do my tension rod with some garland and hanging ornaments to kind of finish off this area of the kitchen for Christmas.